All right, today I'm asking you guys for help. I don't know what's happening here. Are any of you guys on Pinterest? I have been doing Pinterest since, probably January of 2021. So I've had a blog, and my blog has similar content to my YouTube channel, Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life. I use the articles to write videos and vice versa. I love Pinterest sometimes. It's free. You get your content out there on the blog post. I don't publish pins linking to YouTube videos right now because I just haven't looked into how to do that correctly and not get in trouble with spamming. But I just want to take you into my analytics. Okay, let's take a quick look at my Pinterest account. This is my most recent information here. So this is current day right here. I have these sudden drops where my account just tanks. Now, don't get me wrong. My account's not very good to begin with. It's not. People talk about getting millions of impressions. It's not the case for me. I feel like a good month for me is maybe like 50,000. I don't know. I'm not doing Pinterest right. I don't even know what I'm doing wrong, but I have these sudden drop-off tanks. Has anyone else experienced this? And I mean, it's down to nothing. 25 impressions in a day versus like 1.23K. I have a little blip here, and then finally it comes back up. But I don't know why this happens. It's happened to me multiple times. Let me show you a better date range here. Okay, it's only letting me go to June of 2023. Okay, so see how this happens to me? It just goes dead. Comes back, goes dead, comes back. Every couple of months this is happening. It's just incredibly frustrating because I have no control over it. And this is an example of why being a content creator in online business, you do have to diversify because Pinterest can just do this to me. And I've contacted help before. I've asked them like, hey, did I get flagged for spam? Could you let me know what I did wrong? They don't. I know I'm a speck of dust in their eye. I'm nothing, but I can't figure out what I'm doing wrong. And I know some people might argue, well, just change what you're doing and then you'll be doing it right. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong. I put a title, I write a description. I repeat my titles on occasion, but not like every single time. For like one article, I'll have like 6 different titles I use, and I don't republish the same article very often. One article will go out about every 3 months. So that one URL is used maybe like 4-5 times a year. It depends. If it's like a Christmas one, it only goes out at Christmas time. But say it's like, I don't know, something about bottle feeding. It could go out every other month at the most frequent. Okay, I don't do any more frequent than that. And so I have my URL, I have my description, which I make a fresh description. I do have ChatGPT write my descriptions. Don't know if that's a problem, but it saves me time, honestly. And I don't think descriptions are that essential personally. So I have my title, my description, my URL. I schedule a date, I schedule a time, I pin it to a board, I schedule it via Pinterest. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. The image, I create a fresh image every time. I do use stock photography for the most part. Probably about 95% is stock photography. There's certain things I have taken pictures of myself and I do use those images, but I'm just struggling on Pinterest. I keep using it because it is free and it drives traffic to my blog post, which then does get me the occasional clicks on my affiliate links, and I can make a little bit of money. Trust me, I'm not making much. I'm definitely not doing this right. Any thoughts? Anybody else experiencing huge just tanks in their Pinterest traffic? Okay, I get where it's dipping and that's a bummer, but dips don't even bother me. I'll take a dip. It's these drop-offs. Yeah, if you are experiencing this, I just want to let you know you are not alone. I can tell you that much. I'm experiencing it and it is a struggle. Also, in case you're curious, in the past, I did 1 pin a day. Lately, I'm doing like 2 pins a day. Most of the time, sometimes on the weekend, I do 1 pin a day. But during Monday through Friday, I've been trying to do 2 pins a day. I don't know. I'm trying to feed my pins and get my images out there. But I will say my account seems pretty stuck where it's at. It's not really seeing any growth. I'm not sure how I can accomplish that. If anybody has any comments on that they'd like to share, go right on ahead because I'm pretty plateaued. That's all I've got to share today. I just wanted to kind of show this chart, see if anybody else is experiencing it. And if you're more curious about my in-depth how I publish Pinterest pins, I'm very happy to show you that. Click this next video. It's coming up on the screen now or will be linked in the description where I will walk you through how I publish my Pinterest pins.